Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's class, you are going to learn about the past perfect continuous tense. If I talk about the definition of the past perfect continuous tense, I would like to say that the past perfect continuous tense, that is also known as past perfect progressive tense, shows that an action that started in the past continued up until another time in the past. स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के मुतालिक। आइए जानते हैं कि इस टेंस का फार्मूला क्या है, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान क्या है और इस टेंस को इस्तेमाल करते हुए जुमले किस तरह बनाए जाते हैं। Let's have a look at the formula of past perfect continuous tense and how to make sentences by using its formula. The formula of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus verb ing form plus object plus since slash for plus point of time slash period of time. Its identification in Urdu is अगर उर्दू के किसी भी जुमले के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वक्त या मुद्दत के साथ आए तो हम इंग्लिश में पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Let's see how to make sentences by using the formula of past perfect continuous tense. The first sentence is It had been raining in Quetta for 2 days. कोयटा में 2 दिन से बारिश हो रही थी। Mr. Wahid had been running this company since 1915. वाहिद साहब 1915 से ये कंपनी चला रहे थे। So it's one thing which is very important to remember. If you have period of time, you will use for. But if there is point of time, you will use since. As I made first sentence, it had been raining in Quetta for 2 days. Here I had period of time. That's why I used for 2 days. But in the second sentence, it was Mr. Wahid had been running this company since 1915. It was point of time 1915. So that's why I used since with 1915. So don't forget, whenever there is point of time we use since, with period of time we use for. America had been importing wheat from Pakistan since long. अमेरिका मुद्दत से पाकिस्तान से गंदम दरामद कर रहा था। अमेरिका had not been importing wheat from Pakistan since long. Had America been importing wheat from Pakistan since long? They had been creating problems for us since 2003. वो 2003 से हमारे लिए मसाइल पैदा कर रहे थे। They had not been creating problems for us since 2003. Had they been creating problems for us since 2003? As you can see in these two sentences, I changed the sentence as negative and interrogative. You can see in the sentence America had been importing wheat from Pakistan since long. In this sentence I just put not for negative, and for interrogative I just put had before the subject. As America had not been importing wheat from Pakistan since long. And had America been importing wheat from Pakistan since long? And in the second sentence, I made this sentence as negative, that they had not been creating problems for us since 2003. And when I change it as negative, I just put not between had and been. And for interrogative, I put had before the subject, as had they been creating problems for us since 2003. So this is the way to make sentences as negative and interrogative. याद रखिएगा कि सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव बनाने के लिए हम नेगेटिव के लिए सिर्फ हैड और बीन के दरमियान नॉट का इजाफा कर देते हैं, और सवालिया जुमला बनाने के लिए हम हैड को सब्जेक्ट से पहले रख देते हैं. ये तरीका है नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने का. The cultivators had been cultivating the crops of rice for many years. किसान कई सालों से चावल की फसल काश्त कर रहे थे. The hawker had been selling toys since morning. फेरी वाला सुबह से खिलौने फरोख्त कर रहा था. Hashim had been deceiving us for 20 years. हाशिम 20 साल से हमें धोखा दे रहा था. Essence, it was all about past perfect continuous tense. I hope that after learning this tense, your English would be better than before. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.